y'all? I'm Black Talent Sport, and today's video, I'm just going to be cleaning the K&N air filter, and also I have to change the plugs, spark plugs that is. I'll explain why I'm doing that later on in the video, so make sure you're sticking around back. Oh, but first, before we go any further, I'll remind you guys, please continue to smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, make sure it's on all so that you're getting notified when I come out with these videos. Y'all know I greatly appreciate that. Alright, so basically, I'm cleaning the K&N air filter mainly because I had, well, two reasons. Number one, I had a misfire on cylinder number 3, and also it's time. It really is time for me to change this, or to clean the air filter, because this is a rechargeable K&N air filter. It's been long overdue. I got about 220,000 miles at the moment, and technically I've only cleaned it 3 times. This is only the 3rd time. So it's definitely long overdue. Now the spark plugs, I'm changing that. Basically, some time ago I noticed the sound that Bullet basically makes when them spark plugs need to be changed. So maybe about 2 months ago it started making the sound. It's like a farting sound, to be honest with you. Farting sound. And on the big end, it basically wasn't breaking up, but you know, kind of was making that hesitation sound, like, all right, them plugs are going bad. So fast forward to the other day, cylinder number 3 had a misfire. So like, all right, I already purchased the plugs like 2 months ago when I heard the sound. I just never got around to changing it, but last night, or the other day rather, yesterday as a matter of fact, is when I changed the plugs. So today I'm cleaning the air filter because I like to do those two together. All right, so let's get right into the cleaning.
All right, so when I removed the air filter, it was dark, so I didn't bother trying to turn on the camera. But look at this thing, man. I mean, it's so dirty on the outside, filled with nothing but dirt. Check a look at the inside. It's all clean. You can clearly see how effective the filter is at keeping dirt and grime out of the turbos. I can just imagine what the compressor side looks like if any of that made it through. All right, so this is the kit. It's the K&N recharge kit. It has 2 items. Here is one of them. It's the cleaner. What you're supposed to do is take the cleaner and spray it on the outside. Just soak it really. I pretty much use a lot of this stuff because of how dirty it is. And once you soak it up on the outside, you can also spray it on the inside. And then after you're done spraying it down, what you're supposed to do is let it sit for at least 10 minutes. And then after you let it sit, you're supposed to use cool water at a low pressure. And you're supposed to basically allow the water to fall on the inside of the filter, not the outside. So basically, as you can see, this thing is pretty dirty, basically, you know. You can see the color of that water coming off of there. So what I basically did is just, you know, let it run under the water and keep rotating it and also shaking it just to get out anything that might be caught up in the filter element. Now I basically just kept doing that until the water was nice and clear like it is right there. That told me that it was clean. Alright, so up next what you're supposed to do is let it dry. I mean, you can let it sit for overnight. I just gave it about 6 hours or so and it was completely dry thanks to springtime. And it looks pretty good. You know, the filter is gray, so it's not still dirty, but it looks very good. It's very clean inside and on the outside. I just love the carbon fiber tips on my Cat-back exhaust. Back to this air filter now.
Now it's time to add the oil to the filter.
They supply this aerosol can. I would suggest that you just do it evenly, not saturating the filter. See, now if it was up to me, I would skip this step because I don't quite grasp the concept of adding oil to an air filter. But when K&N designed it, they designed this one to function and operate with oil. If it's up to me, I'd just leave it because I think it really attracts too much dust and dirt. But hey, I'm not going to argue with the instructions of a company's product that they designed. But this is it. It's finished. Gives it a little bit of a pinkish hue, but it's still like a gray filter. So we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I would like to see if I can do a giveaway, a very special giveaway after we cross over 1,000 subscribers. So what I'm planning on doing is planning on reaching out to a couple of companies that make some popular products for explorers. I just kind of let them know I'm about to cross over 1,000, and when I do, I'd like to see if we can give away a product to one of my viewers. And I think the best possible way to do it is when we finally have a winner. I'll have that winner tell me what product of that particular company they would like, and then have that company ship it directly to you. Let me know in the comments below what companies should I reach out to, and which products you think would be a decent thing to give away for my 1K giveaway. Let me know in the comments below. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please continue to stay tuned to the channel. Oh, and shout out to my daughter Savannah. She's my camera girl for this video. Thank you, sweetie pie. All right, please make your video suggestions in the comments below, and please remember to have a blessed day and